This brief tutorial will assist you in completing the FCB PPP Forgiveness calculation and will support you in identifying the numbers necessary to fill out the SBA loan forgiveness application. The instructions for the forgiveness calculations are located in the first tab of the workbook. Please take some time to familiarize yourself with the forgiveness process and take special note of the definitions here that will guide you as you complete your calculations. As you begin to look through the workbook, please take note of the color coding. Fields or tabs highlighted in blue are formula-driven and locked. There is nothing you need to do with these fields. They will auto-populate for you. Fields or tabs highlighted in yellow are fields that require you to fill in data. Within the forgiveness ledger, you will note key details pertaining to your note, including borrower name, loan amount, loan disbursement date, payroll coverage period, and more. Please take time to carefully fill out the details, as they will have a large impact on the resulting calculations in the remaining tabs. Make sure you do not leave any fields blank that are highlighted in yellow. We have provided a sample business here, Bob's Auto Shop. Please note that we have included sample transactions such as utility and rent payments for instructional purposes. Take note of the documentation listing section at the top right corner of the PPP Forgiveness Ledger tab. These documents are to be provided to First Century at the time you're submitting your PPP Forgiveness application to ensure we have a complete file. You will email all documents to ppp@myfcbusa.com. Please notate whether or not you're providing these documents by using the drop-down boxes next to each item. Next, we'll cover some of the pertinent questions that must be answered when filling out the SBA forgiveness application, including if you've reduced the number of employees during the covered period and if you've reduced employee wages by 25% or more during the covered period. Answer each question specific to your situation. Lastly, you will provide First Century Bank with a payroll register for the covered period to include items such as compensation for employees who make above or below $100,000. The first table is below $100,000 and the second table is for any employees who made above $100,000. Only the totals for the payroll register will go in this table. Please also remember to put any employer paid insurance, retirement contribution, or qualified state taxes here as well. Once this information has been entered appropriately, the blue tabs, including the Forgiveness Amount Calc, PPP Schedule A, and PPP Schedule A worksheet, will auto-populate with the information necessary to complete your PDF SBA PPP Forgiveness application. Once the two yellow tabs are populated, please take time to review the Compliance Check section and the Forgiveness Amount field within the PPP Forgiveness Ledger tab. Please remember that any forgiveness amounts will be reduced by the amount of any EIDL advances received. That completes our tutorial.